Okay guys, I'm so excited. Okay, finally today I got the parcel with my new iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia, and if you don't know me, welcome to my channel. Basically, I decided to purchase something for my birthday for me, and mainly because I have to update because my phone is really old. I decided to purchase an iPhone XR, which is from, I think it's 2018. It's new, it's similar to the iPhone 11, but it's not old, it's new style, and for me it's a total upgrade. I currently have the iPhone 6, 32GB silver space gray, which was good, but now it's kind of old. It doesn't have update anymore. It has some glitches. It's really slow, and yeah, I mean it has just 1GB of RAM, which is crazy. The parcel. Basically, I decided to look online for like used iPhone, and at the end I ended up on a website, a UK website, which they sell used and new phones, and for like £100 less. It's called smartphonestore.com. I mean, they came in this package, and I paid this £100 less. That's so cool. So this is new. I got it for new because I was like, okay, if I have to get a used one for £100 less, I mean, this new one was already £100 less than the Apple website, but if I had to get a used one for even less, but it's already used, I mean, I saved up a little bit of money and I decided to purchase this one. So this is the iPhone XR in 120GB in black. With all this thing, and it's really affordable. I got it 2 days ago and it already came, so it was cool, and we are in quarantine right now. I already got the screen protector because I don't want to ruin it, and I already got on Amazon the case. I just got a random case, but I already got like a case from Casetify, but it has to come. I'm so excited, guys. You don't even know. I love technology, and I don't buy a new phone every year. I just buy one when it's like it's too old, or is not having upgrade, or it's like, I don't know, it's broken. But yeah, I don't buy a new phone every year. And the one that is the iPhone 6 is still working, but it has some glitches. It has 32GB of memory, and I always had a lot of trouble like with this memory, and I decided to purchase the 128GB. So yeah, without talking too much, just let's get started. Okay, the next part will be really awkward because I wanted to do something cool, but instead it came out like something weird, so I'm sorry about it. Wow, there is the paper. Gosh, that's impressive. Yeah, kind of disappointing because I expected the iPhone immediately. Oh my gosh, guys, it's huge. God, it's enormous. But before that, I want to check something. The sticker, of course, and here they are. I love Apple stickers, and I don't know why. I mean, everyone loves them, but I don't know why I love them too. Oh, great, we have all this thing. We have like the thing that I already know how to use, but I mean, probably I don't know how to use it probably. I mean, the iPhone 6 is a 2014 iPhone, and I never. I'm nervous. Oh gosh, here it is. So before that, okay, there is the charger, of course, the dock. Oh, this is the best part of all. New earphones, and I think these are with the lightning cable. Actually, yeah, they are with the lightning cable. So okay, yeah, I don't know how to put them back. Okay, it's alright. And of course we have the cable. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. It's huge. Oh my gosh, it's so big than the iPhone 6. I mean, I got in black, like I said. Wow, the camera, it's enormous. I mean, I should have a case from the iPhone 6. Okay, it's a little bit dusty, but this is like how the iPhone 6 is basically, because this is a case of it, and this is like, and oh my god, whoa. And the thing is that the iPhone 6 is like, the screen is like this, because it has like the part, oh wow. I think we should turn it on. Whoa, oh, it's matte in here. It's so cool, look. Whoa. I'm so excited, guys. Oh wow. And it's on, and it's on, and it's on. Yeah, god. so excited. Okay, for the setup of the iPhone, I will just arrive at the part that it will be like the backup from the iPhone 6, and after I will film later or tonight, depends on how much it takes, because I just have an hour free after I have to go back to work. And it says hello, hello, hello you. Okay, so yeah, I think we can set up the English, because even if I'm Italian, I love the English phone. Okay, United Kingdom, select your country. I will set United Kingdom. Whoa, it's so cool. I always watched. Okay guys, I will set it up and we'll see later and how it is with the case and everything. Almost finished to set up. I just noticed that the camera is huge. Oh my god, here will be all my fingerprint, but I will clean it later. The case that I got is just a like temporary case. I just got this clear one, but it's actually like with this kind of effect, which I thought it was cool. I mean, I was looking for something that I write today, so it will be protected. And it's this. You will have all the links of the screen protector, the website where I get the phone, and the case, all in the description, so don't worry about it. And this is from Oratech, original remain elegant mobile case. I don't know, is it shock proof? I don't know if to believe them, but it's just provisory. I mean, next week should arrive the caseified case. But yeah, it came from America, and with this situation it will take a lot of days, but yeah, whatever. I mean, I could wait, but who cares? And it's here. Okay. Restore completed. I mean, can you see it? Yeah. Okay, continue setting up your phone. But for me, they came from an iPhone 6 to an iPhone XR. It's completely like a shock seeing all these things. First of all, I don't have the Touch ID, would be like crazy, not just to stay like this and the phone will unlock. And first of all, I don't have all the bar here with like all the things, but I will have on the side. Go home. Welcome to iPhone. This is so cool. Oh wow, there's already all the things that was in my old phone, and I want to see something. Oh, that's crazy. This is my city in Italy, by the way, in summer. Oh, I should change it because now it's big and it's all ruined. Yeah, I'm going to show you just with the case, but oh my god, I'm so scared to break it. Oh. Ooh. Okay, it fits. Oh, I turned on the. My gosh, guys, I'm so okay. Okay. Yeah, this is with this case, which I think is pretty cool. So all my fingertip on the case, nice. But this is really cool actually. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to purchase an iPhone, a used iPhone, I will recommend this website. Before buying it, I read a lot of reviews on Trustpilot, and it was like marked as an excellent website, and I think it's shipped also in Europe and other places, so I don't really know, but it's our UK website, and in UK it has 1-day delivery, so it's really cool. And yeah guys, so I want to try something because I never tried the like Face ID unlocking. It does like, whoa, that's cool. Sorry, I was just thing that I want to try now is of course the camera. So this is how the video looks, and whoa, it's so cool. The quality though, guys, oh my gosh, you can see all my pimples. Okay, stop. Oh, the color of the air. Whoa, that's cool. And now we're going to try the back of the camera. Oh, damn, man. Oh my god, you can see my dirty window too. Oh, wow. Oh, the quality though. Ooh. This is London. Do you like it? Oh wow. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this, please put a thumbs up, and if you want, also subscribe. And so yeah guys, remember to smile every day of your life, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.